I guess we are recording. Whoops. So, Roxy is just, notice her ears are back. She's in a submissive state. Her ears are back. I'm allowing Marty to walk in front more as a good example, good energy for her to follow. His ears are a little bit forward. His dogs that are in the lead, their ears will go forward because they're more alert and they're not in following mode. Her ears are back. She's in a much more relaxed, following, submissive state of mind. Oh, here comes a car. Oops. Oh, I'm lost. Where does this...
If you follow this to the bottom and go left, you'll hit the highway, you know, with the stop line.
So right now, I have Jade, hi, Marty, and Roxy, yes, and we're just walking. We just passed a lady who said her two dogs were not friendly. She really didn't want us to walk by, but I kind of insisted, and Roxy did great. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to videotape it because the woman was kind of nervous about us, but Roxy just ignored them. So I think that's very, very good. So now we're looking for another dog.